Hey guys, so I'm headed to Mini Mayhem and had a bearing go out on the trailer. It's not that old a trailer, and I gave them all a squirt of grease, but the bearing went out, and I wanted to show you guys this little trick in case you didn't know it. So you got this little equalizer thing here. If you don't have a tire here holding this side up, then this side wants to go clear to the ground. So if you block up the other side with some wood, you can nurse it along without the tire going up into your fender. Anyhow, stopped off here in Hillsboro, North Dakota, because they got a Napa here. They didn't happen to have the part I need, but kid came over and was like, "Hey mister, when you get done, you want to come have an ice cream cone?" And I was like, "Yep, I do." So not a bad stop after all. I didn't get the bearing I needed for the old trailer, but hopefully we can nurse it into Fargo and get it fixed.
And they were cute.
Well guys, I got her all put together. Got the motor mounted, got it all back on, got the fenders on, the tires on. Check it out. I got seat belts. I put a seat cover on the racing seat. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's all coming together. I think it looks pretty sweet. I really like the red. I think that pops with that aluminum. Well guys, now we got to get it all loaded up and head for North Carolina to go to Mini Mayhem and hang out with the guys from Cars and Cameras. That'd be cool. Well, I'm all packed and loaded and ready to head down the road. This is my truck I call Levi. Had to stop by Napa and grab some stuff on the way out of town. Got Jerry Springer all loaded up on the back of my two-ton. Check it out, I got some vinyl decals off of the Amazon and got them put on so people can see my YouTube channel headed down the road. I got some vinyl decals and slapped on the side of my two-ton Levi here. What's stale, Billy? Yeah. Well, here I go off into the wild blue yonder to head to Mini Mayhem. So when it comes to getting out stuck races, I need to pull this race out, this inside part of the bearing. And since it got hot, you can flip it upside down and you can beat them out sometimes. But if you can, you just weld right along here and it'll shrink it, and then it comes right out. It don't got to be pretty, it just got to be there, and so you can see it's separating right now, pulling away. Works pretty good. I'm gonna let it cool off all the way. Alrighty, it's had a second to cool, so yep, just like that, comes right out. Not too bad. Alrighty, I got her packed to the gills with grease. I'll put the dust cover on. I just knocked my blocks back off. You know, I had to go about 50 miles with it like that. It dug in a little bit, but it worked. Did a good job. And it got me here, you know. I don't have much weight on this trailer right now. This tire wasn't even very squishy, bearing the weight of everything. If you have a ton of weight, this might not work, you know, because you'd put too much weight on one tire and one bearing. But I didn't have a lot of weight, so it worked out pretty good. Anyhow, beautiful evening here in Fargo, North Dakota. At one of my favorite stores in the world, Fleet Farm. Boy, if I had an unlimited budget, the things that I could build with stuff from there. You know, that place is pretty cool. It's like a giant Tractor Supply that's like the size of a Super Walmart. Anyhow, whenever I come here to Fargo or Bismarck, I like to go to Fleet Farm, check out all the cool things and pick up stuff for projects. Welcome to Virginia. Hey guys, I pulled over to catch a couple winks so I didn't fall asleep, and man, look where I woke up to at this rest area. It was dark when I fell asleep. I couldn't see how beautiful it was. Man, Smoky Mountains, or I don't know which mountains these are. Appalachians? I'm not sure. I'm in West Virginia, and it's beautiful. Say hi, Juan. So my buddy Juan flew in to hang out with me for Mini Mayhem. It was awesome. This is the start of just a wonderful, wonderful weekend. It was an amazing time. I had a blast. I was glad I was able to get the trailer going and not have any more mechanical breakdowns on the way and make it to this awesome Mini Mayhem. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.